To look at this, let's think about that solution stack. To start with, there's the product or the device that perhaps your company has made for dozens or even hundreds of years. That product is going to gain connectivity so that it's capable of connecting to a cloud. And in that cloud, we're going to find big data database technologies. And on top of that, we're going to have application development platforms so we can build multiple applications that share a common infrastructure. We're probably going to need rules and analytics, maybe big data analytics engines. We're going to want to develop role-specific applications for service technicians and for our sales and distribution force and for our end users. We're going to have to think about security and data privacy. We're going to have to worry about system integration to other business systems and other information systems. So when you step back and look at it all, developing that technology stack yourself would require a substantial investment and specialized skills that aren't that common today in manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies that assemble those skills start to look a little bit like Silicon Valley companies and join in that war for talent. So with previous waves of technology, we've seen some patterns develop. Early in the market, we see vertically integrated solutions where a single vendor is providing an entire technology stack. But over time, we see specialization. Some other company can produce a database better. Some other company can produce a technology for communications or for building applications or for security. We've seen this happen in the mainframe industry and the PC industry and mobile phone industry and so forth. So early movers who are vertically integrated can gain an advantage for a period of time. But they need to be careful not to overestimate their ability to sustain all the layers against all the companies that choose to specialize in that same technology stack. Because if they overestimate their capability, what's an advantage in the short term becomes somewhat of a liability farther out. So our recommendation would be, ask yourself the tough question. Where can we really add value? Where is it that our knowledge of the product or the processes that the product participates in or the customer or the market, where does that create some advantage that no specialized company is going to be able to replicate? That's where we should invest most of our energy and resources. And then let's turn to a reasonably short list of outside parties who could help us assemble the rest of the solution without introducing too many moving parts and too much chaos. And then we'll get the best balance of proprietary intellectual property combined with off-the-shelf technology and expertise to bring a really great solution to market as fast as possible. To learn more, I encourage you to download the HBR article or contact us on ptc.com.